Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rizky Fatin Setiadi. Today, I'd like to present a famous brand named Gucci. Here it is. It's about a Gucci history. Gucci was founded in 1921 by Guccio Gucci in Florence, Tuscany, under the direction of Aldo Gucci, son of Guccio. Gucci became a worldwide known brand, an icon of the Italian Dolce Vita, following family feuds during the 1980s. The Gucci family was entirely ousted from the capital of the company by 1993. In the story of Gucci, up until the end of the Gucci family era, the design, promotion, and production of Gucci products were handled by the members of the Gucci family. The CEO since 2014, Marco Bizzarri, 2008 until 2014, Patrizio Di Marco, 2004 until 2008, Mark Lee, 19 and 1904 until 2004, Domenico De Sole. And for creative designers, since 2015, Alessandro Michael, 2006 until 2015, Frida Giannini, 1995 until 2004, Tom Ford, and 1989 until 1995 is Don Melo. In the culture of Gucci, in 2011, the company opened the Gucci Museum, Gucci Museo, inside the 15th century Palazzo della Mercanzia in Florence to celebrate its 90th anniversary. In 2016, Alessandro Michael curated additional rooms to dedicate to Tom Ford collections. In January 2018, following a renovation, the Gucci Museum opened with a new name, the Gucci Garden, and a new restaurant within its walls, the Gucci Osteria, managed by Massimo Bottura. The Gucci Osteria was awarded one Michelin star in November 2019. In February 2020, a second Gucci Osteria opened on the rooftop of the Gucci Rodeo Drive store in Los Angeles. In April 2017, Gucci financed the restoration of the Boboli Garden at the Uffizi Gallery in Florence. In June 2019, Gucci financed the restaurant of the historic Rome, Carpia, and Belverde Gardens in Rome. Social. In 2008, Gucci launched the Gucci Tribeca documentary fund and an $80,000 fund to finance movies promoting social change and presented at Tribeca Film Festival. By 2011, the fund grew to $150,000, including $50,000 for a newly created Woman Documentary Award. In 2011, with the Venice Film Festival, Gucci also launched a Gucci Award for Women in Cinema to underline the impact of women in filmmaking. From 2005 to 2015, Gucci donated $2,000 million to UNICEF School for Africa program. Once Team for Change was created, it became the funding vessel of the Gucci UNICEF partnership. Team for Change was founded in February 2013 by Fredia Giannini, Salma Hayek, and Beyonce as a global champion for the improvement of education, health, and justice for women worldwide. In June 2013, Time for Change organized the Sound of Change live concert, which generated $4 million to fund 200 projects in 70 countries. In December 2013, Gucci, in a partnership with Twitter and Woman Who Code, created a woman-focused hackathon Time Hack. Gucci sells a yellow t-shirt that reads "My Body, My Choice" and redistributes its proceeds to Time for Change. In July 2013, activist Lydia Emily was commissioned to paint a mural on Skid Row, Los Angeles, of a woman named Jessica, who is a survivor of human trafficking. In January 2019, Time for Change launched the mural campaign Together. promoting gender equality and design by the artist M4. In 20,000, in 2020, Gucci launched an unconventional beauty champions, including a model with Down syndrome. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Gucci pledged $1 million to two crowdfunding campaigns. The first to support the Italian Civil Protection Department and the second for the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. Environment. In 2015, Gucci launched its own environmental profit and loss initiative. In October 2017, Gucci announced it will ban furs from its stores in 2018. In June 2018, the brand launched Equilibrium, its platform to communicate on its social and environmental efforts and progress. In September 2019, Marco Bizzarri announced Gucci's intention to go entirely carbon neutral. In 2020, Gucci joined the UNDP Lead Lions Share Fund to support wildlife conservation. In popular culture, Gucci eponymous adjective. The name Gucci turned an eponymous adjective, I feel Gucci, and that's so Gucci, to describe something that feels like the high-flying luxury of Gucci. In the movie, in November 2019, filmmaker Ridley Scott launched House of Gucci, a movie about the Gucci dynasty with Lady Gaga playing Patrizia Reggiani and Adam Driver playing Maurizio Gucci. The film is scheduled to be released in the United States on November 24, 2021. Scott had already announced this plan in 2007 with Angelina Jolie in the role of Patrizia Reggiani. In 2000, Martin Scorsese had also announced plans to make a movie about the Gucci family. So Gucci have records. Guinness World Records, 1974, the model 2000 Gucci watch broke the record for selling more than 1 million units in 2 years. In 1998, the Gucci jeans broke the record of the most expensive pair of jeans ever. The jeans were distressed, ripped, and covered with African bead and were for sale for $2,135 in Milan. Okay, so that's all about Gucci. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.